Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last sessions, we covered up to pattern number 9. Now in today's video, we are going to discuss about the 10th pattern. So what is this 10th pattern? It is the same like this. It is the same like this. But the only modification is nothing but in the place of, okay, in the place of left side empty, we have to provide right side empty. So means what? In this direction we need to take. Okay, in this direction we need to take. Sir, is it correct? Yes, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we have to take. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remaining stars should be like this. No. So remaining stars also like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last one 10. Like this we have to take. Sir, it is also same like previous. When I is equal to 1, I is equal to 10, j is equal to 1, j is equal to 10. But in the place of j less than or equal to, so in the place of j greater than or equal to, we are getting places here, empty spaces. But once if you take j less than or equal to 10, then what will happen? We are going to get spaces in this direction. This is the way how we can able to do, sir. I think you people got very clear clarity how we can able to implement this kind of a pattern by using these loops. Okay, I think you people got somewhat idea how you can able to draw these kind of patterns, how you can able to draw these kind of patterns. Okay, right. In the next video, we will see some other pattern. Okay, thank you.